Courtney
and Teresa
with Yellow Daisy. Welcome back to our channel.
Today I thought I'd bring you along and show you a remodel that I'm doing in Courtney's old bedroom here at the house. I have a vintage window that my husband bought for me probably 20 years ago, and it has been used so many ways in the past.
So we're going to use the window frame as a picture frame, and we'll print a picture from my wedding and put it in the background so it's like you're looking out a window at the scene from my wedding.
In this video, we will show you step by step of our DIY, everything from selecting the picture to framing it and it being on the wall.
Thank you for stopping by. Hope you enjoy the video.
Here's the window that I was talking about in our intro that I've had for probably over 20 years. I purchased 2 foam core boards from the dollar store. And here Courtney and I are looking through her wedding album, trying to find out which picture would work best with that window. And once I figured out which pictures that I wanted, I ordered them through OfficeMax, and I ordered the 24 by 36 engineer black and white copies. And guys, it was only like $3.50 per copy. And here I had to cut down the second foam core board so that it would fit inside the window frame. And here I'm just doing a trial run just to make sure that the foam core boards are going to fit correctly. And as you can see, I'm just using shipping tape to adhere the 2 pieces of foam core board together. It was really hard for me to figure out, just looking on the computer screen, which of the poses would work best in my window. So I did order 4 different poses. And here I am trying to figure out which pose worked best. Once I figured out which picture that I liked, I took a pencil and I traced the outside of the frame so that I wouldn't cut off too much of that picture. And here I'm just doing another dry run. They always say measure twice and cut once, so that's what I'm doing here. I use Mod Podge to adhere my picture to the foam core board, and I just glued it in the 4 corners. And once we had the 4 corners glued down, I just cut off the excess length. And again, I'm just using the shipping tape to adhere the finished foam core board picture onto the actual frame of the window. And here it is, all done. And I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of the bedroom that I am currently working on. And it turned out perfect. It looks just fantastic in that bedroom. And I have more DIY projects planned for this bedroom. So if you're not already subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thanks again for stopping by.